In this video, I will show you how to create this drop shadow effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. Choose the type tool and write your text. Select the rectangle tool and create a rectangular shape like this. Set a color for the shape. Adjust its corners from here, or you can adjust its corner from the property panel. With the rectangular shape layer selected, go to Layer Style and choose Drop Shadow. Follow these settings. Click OK when you are done. Right-click on the drop shadow effect and choose Create Layer. We have our drop shadow created on a new layer. Press Ctrl Command T, hold down Shift and scale this side down. Right-click and choose Warp. And now control these points. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. You can check out on other videos from this channel.